welcome to ProNature. We manufacture wood sealers, which is sustain and seal in one, and I would love to show you some of our colors. We've got interior and exterior wood sealers. Both of the products are coming in 60 standard colors to choose from. It is a very easy application. You just have to apply with a roller, a trowel, a paintbrush or a cloth. Let it penetrate into the timber for a couple of minutes. You take then mutton cloth, you rub everything off which hasn't been absorbed by the wood, and voila. On high traffic surfaces we suggest 2 to 3 coats. Anything which is no traffic like cladding or side tables, 1 coat completely suffices. As you can see, it depends on what kind of wood you use. Your color development will always be a little bit different. So here we see it on oak veneer. In other boxes you see birch, plywood, also very useful on SA pine. Here we see it also on CCA treated pine. Why ProNature? So all our raw materials are plant-based. So we're using a combination of various linseed oils as well as natural dryers, which even exclude cobalt, which is now been found to be cancer-causing. Our pigments are all mineral-based, so no synthetics in our finishes. Indo gets also used by manufacturers of baby toys, of chopping boards, so it is, once cured, safe to be in contact with food. To the exterior oil, we do add some biocides to help prevent mold growth, which is needed in the coastal and tropical areas. We also offer accompanying products like cleaners, because a wooden top is not granite or plastic. So please walk away from the harsh cleaning materials and rather use a proper wood cleaner, which not only cleans the surface, but it also feeds it. One of my absolute favorite products is our soap called Plant Soap Concentrate. I like to call the mother of all our soaps. This soap will return your weathered timber into a beautiful new piece. We have used it on braais. Some people even use it on their car engines. It is very handy, Andy. So we've got 60 colors. Which one is your favorite?